What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your Mac is not recognizing a connected external monitor. The problem is usually related to display settings, hardware issues such as adapters, or because of a software issue related to apps running on your Mac. First, let's take a look at your display settings. Open up your system settings, and on the left-hand side, head to Displays. You should see your connected external monitor from here. If you can't see it, then make sure your external monitor is connected to a power source and unplug and replug all of your connections. If it still doesn't show up, then make sure to force quit all apps that are running in the background while leaving this setting window open. This will help you identify which app might be causing the problem. Use the shortcut Command and Tab to switch between and see which apps are running, and then the shortcut Command and Q to quit them. Alternatively, you can also head to the Apple icon on the left side of your navigation and select Force Quit. When this is done and your external monitor is still not showing up, then head back to your settings and click on General. Here, select Software Update and download the latest macOS update if one is available to you. You can then restart your Mac. Before restarting, make sure to disconnect any other peripherals, adapters and dongles from your Mac. After restart, reconnect the display and reopen your display settings. Here, at the bottom of the display section, hold down the Option key to toggle this Detect Displays option on. Click on it while holding Option pressed to force macOS to manually scan for displays. This should help detect displays that were not automatically detected when plugged in. If you can, you should also try using a different adapter, dongle, HDMI cable, or test the display on a different machine to make sure it's not your Mac, but rather a faulty display that is causing the problem. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.